Welcome to DigiPath50 Plus. This video is part of step 2, using internet with confidence. In this video we will practice one simple online action. You will start with one need, you will type one clear word, you will choose one result. Then you will open it and check what appears. You don't need to open everything. You do not need to compare many pages. One clear search and one result are enough to begin. Let us see one simple example from start to finish. Imagine you want to find the opening hours of a nearby pharmacy. This is a normal everyday need. You're not trying to learn everything about the internet. You only want to answer one question. When is the pharmacy open? Before you touch the screen, take a moment. Ask yourself, what do I need to find? In this example, the answer is, I need to find pharmacy opening hours. This first step is important. When your need is clear, your search becomes easier. You're not just looking around, you're looking for one piece of information. Now, open your browser. Your browser may be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or another app that opens websites. The name is not the most important thing. What matters is that the browser helps you search for information online. Look for the search bar. This is the place where you type what you want to find. You do not need a long sentence. Use a few clear words. For example, pharmacy Sofia opening hours. These words are simple. They say what you need. You're looking for pharmacy. You're looking in Sofia. You want opening hours. Now, type the words slowly. Then press search. The screen will show several results. At this moment, it is normal to see many options. This can feel confusing, but remember, you do not need to open everything. Look at the results calmly. Find one result that looks clear. You can look for words that match your needs, such as pharmacy, opening hours, address, contact, or working hours. Choose one result that seems useful. Do not worry about making a perfect choice. You're only choosing one result to try. Now, open that result. Click or tap once. Wait for the page to open. When the page opens, pause again. Ask yourself, what appeared on the screen? Does this page show the information I need? Look for the opening hours. You may see them near the top of the page. You may need to scroll a little. You may see words such as open today, working hours, opening times, or contact. Move slowly, one step at a time. If you see the opening hours, you have completed the task. You started with one need. You searched with a few clear words. You choose one result. You opened it. You checked what appeared. This is a complete online action. It may look small, but it is useful. This is how digital confidence grows, not by clicking many things, not by rushing, but by choosing one clear action and completing it. Sometimes the first result will not help. That is normal. It does not mean you failed. If the page does not show what you need, you can go back and choose another result. But do this calmly, one result at a time. Let us repeat the simple pattern. First, ask, what do I need to find? Second, type a few clear words. Third, look at the results. Fourth, choose one result. Fifth, open it and check what appears. This pattern can help with many everyday tasks. You can use it to check the weather. You can use it to find an address. You can use it to check opening hours. You can use it to find a phone number. For now, keep it simple. Choose one real thing you need to find today. Use your own device. Open your browser. Type a few clear words. Choose one result. Open it. Then ask yourself, did I find what I needed? After watching this video, complete the related lesson activity. If you're using worksheet 1, write down what you wanted to find, what you typed, what you opened, and whether it showed what you needed. Take your time. You are in control. One simple need, a few clear words, one result. One step at a time.